The Geospatial Data Gateway from the National Resources Conservation Service, or NRCS, is a location that provides a wealth of GIS data. To get started finding and browsing data, you would click the Get Data button on the main page. Once you get to the Geospatial Data Gateway, it was going to ask you a series of questions. Where, what, and what type of format do you want your data in? So we'll begin with the where. You first select the state that you are looking for data, which is Pennsylvania. You can then select the county or counties that you're looking for data, and in this case Lebanon. We select and highlight the county that we're interested in, and then hit the double arrows to add it into the selected counties dialog box. From here we select submit selected counties. And then what you're going to find is all the data layers available for your particular area of interest. And you're going to see there's data in a number of categories, from census data, getting things like census blocks and tracts and so forth. There's a lot of climate data and with precipitation and temperature. You're going to find easements on here, different elevation data sets. Some of these are similar to the ones that we've found on POSDA. You're going to find geology data here, hydrography data, hydrologic units, which is really important because you can get the 8-digit watershed boundary or the 12-digit, which is very useful for stormwater management. You can get land use and land cover data, and you can get ortho photos. Once you decide what you want to download, you simply put a check behind it, and you can do more than one thing at a time. So feel free to select as many or as few as you like. Once you get select what you need, you hit the continue button, and then it's going to go to the how part of the process. The data layer that I selected, it's not going to give me any options for format and projection, but some of the selections will let you select what format that you want it in. Do you want it in a shapefile format or a geodatabase format? And then the projection, it allows you to select what projection you want your data in, and then it will allow you to select your delivery mechanism. I would suggest the download option. Once you select that, just hit continue, and you would fill out this particular area here, because they're going to be using the email address that you provide to send you a link to download the data. So I hit continue, and it goes to the review process where you look to make sure that everything is exactly what you want it to be, and then you click place order. It's going to give you an estimated time that it's going to take for them to complete your order, and depending on how busy they are at that particular moment, it can be 5 minutes, which is like the best time, or it can be longer than that as well. You hit the place order option, and it tells you what's happening. It's telling you that it's going to be sending an email to your email account that you provided, and there will be a link there where you select the download option. If you don't download it within 4 days, it will be deleted after that time. So that's the quick and dirty process for getting data off of the Geospatial Data Gateway.